After opening Revolut app, if you got more than one account, swap to the right until you get to your account that you want to add money, and then tap on add money. Enter the amount of money that you want to add. I've already selected Apple Pay, but if it is not selected, tap on the downward arrow. Here you could see you could select Apple Pay, debit card, or regular bank transfer. So select Apple Pay, tap on done, and then tap on pay. If you have stored more than one card in your Apple Pay, then you can tap on change payment method, and then you can select the card that you want to draw money from, and then double click on the side button. Make sure the face camera is towards you so that they could use Face ID to approve the transaction. And once the processing is done, you should get the notification from your bank account, as well as here you could see the money was added immediately. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.